Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be trying a new DENMAN brush technique, and this is the technique my friend Isabella does. Hope you enjoy. So to start off, I'm just combing my hair with the DENMAN brush, and just keep in mind my hair is already detangled. So now everything is combed through. Now we're gonna go to the next part of what she does in her DENMAN brush routine. Now I'm separating my hair into two, and I'm spraying water just to keep my hair saturated. So now the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take some moisture milk cream from Camille Rose, and this is what she does after she combs her hair throughout and puts water. And this literally is like really thick, kinda, so it's like a little hard to come out, but I'm going to be taking about this much to apply. So I'm literally just gonna put this through. So after applying some of the product, I'm combing my hair again with the DENMAN brush. Also, I'm trying to comb my hair away from my face, that way it promotes volume. Now I'm wetting my hair with water because she says that this is a really good base to use the DENMAN brush. I'm taking some of the Camille Rose Moisture Milk. You can definitely use any leave-in you have at home, and I'm just going to take that much and apply it through that section. For this technique, Isabella likes putting her leave-in, then combing it through with the DENMAN brush, then applying gel or mousse and combing it through again. Now that I applied the Camille Rose cream to my hair and I brushed it through, I'm going to be using some of the Eco Slate Orange Marmalade. So I'm going to take about, about 2 pumps. So I really don't know why I'm doing this face. So now we're gonna follow Isabella's routine. First, she mentions that she likes brushing the DENMAN brush through her hair after she's applied like the last product. The bristles of the DENMAN brush first needs to face behind you, then it's going to move towards the front, and then it's going to be facing your face, and you're just going to slide your hair through. After, you're going to take that piece of hair, shake it, and then we're going to scrunch it in. So I'm going to be doing this for each section of my hair. I feel like you guys can clearly see what I'm doing. This technique is really simple, and I really did like it. Just make sure in between each product that you apply that you comb it through, just to make sure it's like properly in your hair. Also, I really do like doing praying hands method because I feel like it helps seal all of the product into my hair. Basically, I'm doing the same thing to each strand. I just want to make this really fast for you guys, so I'm applying the leave-in and then the gel. This is one part of her technique that I kind of messed up. I think she faces the bristles like up and I was facing it down, but I feel like this still really worked really nicely. Have you guys ever done this technique or anything similar to this? I really enjoyed the simplicity of this technique. As you guys can see, this is how I was using the DENMAN brush for the back section. The bristles were facing up and then they were facing the front and then down, and I slid my hair through. And then I just moved it and scrunched it. Now that I'm done, I'm just scrunching my hair. Okay guys, so now I'm all done styling my hair. I'm just gonna go wet plop for about an hour or so, then I'm gonna finish off with diffusing, and then I'll come back to show you guys what my hair is looking like. So I'm going to show you guys how my hair looked on day 2. Some things did happen on day 1, so I was unable to record, but this is how my hair came out. It came out so fluffy, so voluminous, and the curls were just giving my hair like a whole new shape. I really liked it, and the curls in the back were really spirally. Hey guys, so we've reached day 3 of using this DENMAN brush technique on my hair. So I just wanted to come here to show you guys how my hair is looking like on day 3. And yeah, this is how it's looking like. So it's still really defined in a lot of areas. It does have a lot of frizz like right here. And yeah, it's just like a lot of areas are honestly super defined. I feel like a lot of areas clumped up a lot too, like this one right here. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be refreshing with water and the DENMAN brush, and I'm going to kind of implement the same DENMAN brush technique that she does into my refreshing. So yeah, let's just get on to refreshing. So now I'm refreshing. I'm just making my hair damp, so I'm honestly not applying that much water. My hair was already kind of detangled, and I just went through with the DENMAN brush and basically did the same technique Isabella does on damp hair. Now I'm shaking my hair, and now I'm scrunching it really gently. When I was done refreshing each section, I sprayed my hair with water, got a little bit of camille rose milk and put it through my hair, and then finally I just scrunched both sides. Okay guys, so now I'm all done refreshing my hair. I'm just gonna go air dry, and I might just let my hair air dry completely, or I might let it air dry for an hour and then diffuse. So I'll be back once my hair is 100% dry. So now these are the final results. My hair was so voluminous and it was so defined. This was my favorite day out of all of them. So this is a technique that I definitely want to keep playing around with, especially on damp hair. And also don't forget to go and check out Isabella's video. She is doing the DENMAN brush technique that I always do, and her videos are amazing. And thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe if you're not. I post videos every single week, and I appreciate every single one of you guys. Have an amazing rest of your week. Bye.